Welcome to Grandma and Me. Today we get to make slime. You know how I love to make slime, and today it is unicorn slime. Let's get started. I have some water in our bowl and I'm going to add some glue. I'm putting in about 1 cup of glue, and I have about the same amount of water. I'm going to mix the water and the glue up, and then I'm going to put in the shaving cream. All right, I think that's enough. That's enough mixing. I can make it go. Maybe I better get the other can. All right, I have some shaving cream and I'm going to get about 1 cup of shaving cream. Put in a few squirts of the foaming hand soap. And give that a little mix. All right, now I'm going to add just a little bit of cornstarch. I've never done this way before, so I just want to experiment and see if it will work. Not sure how much I need, but that's a little bit. Oh, it looks like it's pretty fun, but it's not slime. So, I'm going to add the activator. Just a little bit at a time. All right, I'm going to get this ready. Come back and we are going to add colors for our unicorn slime. Okay, I'm back. I decided I just wanted a little more slime to do this unicorn slime, and so I made some more slime up, and I have a bigger batch here. It is so fun to play with. Oh, if you could just feel this. That's part of why I like the slime so much. It is so fun to just feel and to play with. Well, I guess I better get on, move along. we got some coloring to do. So I'll take this out. Got quite a big batch of slime here. Oh, I could play and play and play with this slime. It is just, oh, it is so fun to play with. And I am going to divide this now into 3 parts. I decided that for my unicorn slime, I want to do 1 piece that is white, 1 piece that is pink, and 1 piece that is blue. So I'm going to move 2 of these out of the way so I don't get them mixed up with the slime that I'm doing. So here's the one, and I'm going to color this one pink. I have my little neon food coloring. My hope is in adding this that I don't get it too dark because I want a light colored. Let's see what we got. Oh, I see some pink coming through. I just added 1 drop. Did you hear the bubbles pop? That's pretty cool. It's pretty, that's a pretty light. I don't know, do I dare make it a little bit darker? I don't want it very dark. If I could just get a half of a drop. Oh, boy, these seem like big drops. Now I hope I didn't make it too dark. Oh, I wish you could feel this. Now to me, this looks like the pink that I want. It's a light pink for the unicorn. Get it mixed in because some of it wasn't mixed. Okay, guess I better stop playing with the pink. Moving on. Okay, this again is a neon blue. And there's our blue. The white, I'm going to add a little white color to it, even though it is white. And in addition to the color, I want to add some beautiful gold in with it. All that gold sparkles. Okay, so I've got the gold mixed into the white now, and I have the three colors, nice and stretchy. I like my slime nice and stretchy because it's just so fun to play with. And the pink and the blue are there waiting, so let's just get this lined up. Okay, here goes. Look at that beautiful, beautiful unicorn slime. I hope you can see the beautiful colors in this. And it still feels so silky and stretchy. unicorn slime. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed, take time to do so now. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.